Imagine creating a simple Squid Game video and gaining 361K subscribers in just 36 videos. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this YouTube channel did exactly that. In just 4 weeks, its video has skyrocketed to 2.1 million views. It has locked into this niche, and now every video it posts is racking up millions of views. And it doesn't stop there. As soon as their first Squid Game video went viral, they quickly made 2 more, and guess what? Both videos also got millions of views. But this is just one example. There are many new channels tapping into this niche, and they are blowing up fast. Let me show you another crazy success story. There's a brand new channel called Story Dream. It started just 3 weeks ago, and its very first video hit 1.5 million views. What was the video about? You guessed it, Squid Game. Excited by this success, they decided to experiment and made a video about Elon Musk. But it didn't get many views, so they went back to what worked, Squid Game. Their third video got 39,000 views in just 3 days. This proves that this niche is hot right now. If you tap into this trend, you could start earning thousands of dollars from your YouTube channel. So, should you jump in? Keep watching because I'm about to reveal exactly how you can do it. Now let me break this down step by step using a proven blueprint. Take a look at this channel's first video. It's completely powered by AI. The voiceover, AI generated. The video, made with AI. The editing, all done using AI. Yet this simple video has 1.5 million views and is already monetized. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do the same, step by step. You'll learn how to find viral ideas in this niche, write scripts that go viral, edit your videos for maximum engagement, and that's not all. If you're wondering whether this niche is really trending, just look at the old Pop Show channel. They tried multiple niches, but when they uploaded a Squid Game video, it got 10,000 views. Now here's the truth. 99% of YouTube automation channels fail because they choose the wrong niche. They don't get views at first, they lose motivation, and they give up too soon. But if you watch this video till the end, you'll discover the hidden secrets of YouTube automation and how to make your channel go viral in this niche. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. Step 1. Script writing. Most YouTubers will tell you to use ChatGPT for script writing. But here's the problem. ChatGPT gives you robotic, boring scripts that don't feel natural. And if your script is dull, even if your video gets recommended, people won't stay. They'll click away and your video won't go viral. But don't worry, I have found an amazing AI tool called DupDub that can help you write and rewrite highly engaging viral scripts for your Faceless channel. First, go to YouTube and find a video similar to the one you want to make. Copy the video link. For example, if I'm making this video for you, I would copy the link. Now go to DupDub. The link is in the description. You will see a clean and simple interface. Click on Start 3-day free trial, sign up, and log in. Once logged in, you'll see options like AI avatar, AI voiceover, and even voice cloning. But what we need is AI transcription. Click on AI transcript and a new page will open. Now that you've copied the YouTube video link, follow these simple steps to get your transcript. Click on the YouTube icon inside DupDub. Now simply paste the YouTube link that you copied. Select your preferred language, or let DupDub auto-detect it for you. Click on transcript and the tool will start transcribing the video. Wait 1-2 minutes for the process to complete. Once done, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click confirm and your transcript will be ready. Now that we have the transcript, it's time to make it original and engaging using AI. First, turn off the auto timestamp to see the full script without time codes. You can choose to rewrite, summarize, or even make a longer or shorter version of the script. Now that our transcript is ready, we need to make it unique and engaging so that it stands out. For this, we'll use ChatGPT to refine it into a viral script. Simply go to ChatGPT, link in the description, copy the special prompt provided, and paste it into the chat. Then, paste your script, the one generated DupDub, below the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will transform it into a well-structured, engaging, and unique script that doesn't sound robotic. This step ensures your content is polished and has a high chance of going viral. Step 2. Generate a high-quality voiceover. For this, go back to DupDub and click on AI Voice. You have to paste your rewritten script here, the one you refined using ChatGPT. Here, you'll find multiple voice options, including both male and female voices. Let's explore the AI voices available in DupDub and find the best one for our video.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Today is the day to remind yourself.
You can select the language, Hindi, English, Chinese, and many more, choose the gender, adjust the age range, and even modify the tone and emotion to match your content style. Once you've selected the perfect voice, click on Generate Speech, and within seconds, your professional voiceover will be ready. Now simply download the audio file and move to the next step. This customization ensures that your video sounds natural, engaging, and high quality, making it more appealing to viewers. Now that we have the AI-generated voiceover, let's enhance it for a more professional sound. Upload your voiceover to Adobe Podcast, link in the description. Click on the Enhance button, and within seconds, your voice will sound clear, natural, and professional. No more robotic voices. Once done, download your enhanced voiceover. Step 3. Creating AI-generated videos and editing. Now we need high-quality visuals to match our script. Instead of searching for stock videos, we'll use AI to generate them. For this, we'll use an amazing AI tool called Hailuo AI. This tool automatically creates stunning videos matching your script. No manual editing is needed. For this, go to ChatGPT and enter the provided prompt. ChatGPT will generate a structured prompt for you, which we will use to create AI videos. Simply copy the prompt, then head over to Hailuo AI. Click on Video Create, then select the Text-to-Video section. Paste your prompt into the input box and click the Generate button. Your AI-generated video will be ready in just a few moments. Follow the same steps to generate all your videos quickly. Now let's move on to video editing. For this, we will use an amazing tool called CapCut. After installing and opening CapCut, click on the Import button and upload all the AI-generated videos from Hailuo AI, along with the voiceover downloaded from DupDub. First, drag your voiceover to the timeline, then remove any unwanted parts by selecting the unnecessary sections and clicking the Cut button. This will ensure a smooth and polished final video. Now let's sync the voiceover with the video. After cutting the unwanted parts, we need to fill the empty spaces in the voiceover to make it sound smooth and professional. I'll quickly attach all the voiceover clips together. Once done, we will create a compound clip so that the voiceover remains in place and doesn't get misaligned. Next, we need copyright-free footage. Go to YouTube, search for Squid Game, and apply the Creative Commons filter to find free-to-use clips. Download the selected video and import it into CapCut. But before that, we will first create a compound clip for our voiceover. Right-click on the voiceover, select Create Compound Clip, and your voiceover will now be combined into a single file. If you need images instead of videos, go to Piclumen AI and enter the same prompt that was used in Hailuo AI for video generation. Select the 16:9 aspect ratio and choose the Flux One model to generate high-quality images. Once your image is ready, download it and import it into CapCut. Now let's combine the images and videos to make the final edit more engaging. Import all the AI-generated images and videos into CapCut. Then, listen to the voiceover step by step and align the visuals accordingly. This will ensure that your video is well-paced and visually appealing. To make the video more engaging, prioritize using more videos rather than static images. You can also generate multiple prompts and multiple videos from Hailuo AI to create a visually dynamic sequence. Now I'll bring all my videos and images onto the timeline. Since the images we downloaded from Piclumen AI are still static, we need to animate them so they look like moving visuals. To do this, select an image, go to the right side panel, and find the animation option. Click on Combo Animations, where you'll find multiple animation effects like in-out motions, zoom-ins, and smooth transitions. Apply these animations to your images, making them flow seamlessly with the video. By combining Hailuo AI generated videos, Piclumen AI images, and animations in CapCut, we can make the final output more professional and engaging. Now that we have applied animations to our images, the next step is to add transitions to make the video flow smoothly. To do this, go to the right side panel in CapCut and click on the Transitions tab. Here, you'll find multiple transition effects to apply between clips. Select the transitions that best suit your video's style. After applying transitions, you can also add effects to enhance the visuals. Choose from various effects available in CapCut and apply them to your video clips. Next, we need to generate captions to improve engagement. Click on the Captions button and then select Generate Captions. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles for your video. Once the captions are generated, you can edit them to match the timing perfectly. On the right side panel, you'll find options to change the caption style. You can choose templates, add effects, and customize fonts and colors to make them visually appealing. Now, our video is fully ready. Click on the Export button to save it to your device. You can now share it on social media and start your YouTube automation journey. If you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have provided links to all the AI tools used in the description below. Be sure to check them out.